Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Archana here, and today I'm going to create mixed media on this MDF board. So here I took 10-inch circular shape MDF board and priming it using gesso. But instead of using brush, I'm using palette knife to apply gesso. So this way I will be having little amount of texture on the surface as well. And gesso is a good primer to prime any kind of a surface like wood or MDF board or canvas or cardboard or paper. So next when you apply different kind of medias, that surface won't absorb those medias. And while gesso is still wet, I took this frame and glued it down using gesso. Now here I am using gesso because I was not having gel medium at that time with me, but you can use gel medium or glue gun to stick this type of heavy embellishments to your project. Then I took different sizes and shapes gears and glued them to form a random composition. Now here I haven't planned that how my composition will look like. I'm just going with the flow and enjoying the process. And that's what I will suggest you guys to, that don't think too much, just dig into your stash and start with whatever you have with you. As you can see here, I have built quite nice layer of gears around the frame and on the frame. So after it dries completely, I move ahead and added this resin frame and also cute little angel on this board. I also added mini paper flowers here. Now don't worry about the embellishment colors, because at the end I am going to cover everything with gesso. Mixed media project seems quite confusing and hard, but trust me guys, there is nothing right and wrong in mixed media. You can add anything like broken earrings, seashells, or buttons, or cardboard, or anything. Anyways, here I am covering entire board using gesso. There are a lot of tutorials available on mixed media, but if you want me to do a video on what product I like to use, or how to start in mixed media, then do let me know in the comment section below, and I would love to make a video on that. Anyways, I continue and added some micro beads here and there. In case if I miss something here, I will list down all the supplies in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And as I say always, don't forget to join me on my other social medias, because I post sketching or work in progress pictures there, so that you can have a look before it comes on YouTube. I started coloring using Craftyscrappers shimmer sprays, and here I am using two shades of shimmer sprays. Those are Juicy Watermelon and Sweet Sunshine. before this spray dries, I just stir this board a little bit, so that this way both the color will flow in each other and blend together nicely. I have sealed the colors using fixative because these shimmer sprays are water based, and next when I add gesso to highlight the things, I don't want the base color get spoiled, so that's why I use fixative. And these fixative sprays are commonly used to seal charcoal drawings and soft pastel drawings. Here I use gesso to highlight the texture and elements using dry brush technique. If you made something inspired by my videos, then don't forget to tag me so that I can enjoy your creation as well. All my social media links are in the description box below. And here finally I added some pearls and finished this project. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with another project soon. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thanks for watching.